Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on my channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So I'm doing a series on my channel called Breakfast India, where I try out breakfast recipes from all over India. So today is episode 11 in that series. To watch the earlier episodes, just click on the iCard above. I'll leave a link there. So in today's episode, we are going to be trying the breakfast recipe from Orissa called Chuda Santula. It's a poha dish, and I'm trying out the tomato version, that's tomato Chuda Santula today. It's very easy to make and a little different from the regular pohas. The detailed ingredients list is available in the description. Do check it out before you start. So let's have a look at the ingredients required for making this dish. I've gotten here Chuda or thin poha, sliced onions, sliced tomato, turmeric powder, mustard seeds, fennel seeds, slit green chilies, crushed ginger, coriander leaves and curry leaves. Apart from this, we'll need salt to taste as well as oil to make the dish in. So let's start preparing the dish.
Heat oil in a kadai. Add the mustard seeds and fennel seeds to it. We'll wait for the mustards to splutter and the fennel seed to give out its aroma.
Once it splutters and gives out its aroma, we'll add in the curry leaf. And add in the crushed ginger and slit green chilies. Once this is cooked well, we'll add in the sliced onions. We'll cook them until they are a light brown in color. The onions have turned a light brown in color. Now let's add in the sliced tomatoes. We'll cook the tomatoes until they are very soft. The tomatoes have softened nicely and it's become like a paste. So while this was happening, I've washed the poha, soaked it for 1 minute and drained the water and kept it ready. Once the tomatoes are done, we'll add in the poha. Give it a nice mix. Add in the turmeric powder. Let's add the salt to taste. Mix well. And let this cook for another 2 minutes. It's been around 2 minutes and the Chuda Santula is done. Let's garnish it with some coriander leaves. And it's done. So that's Chuda Santula with tomato ready for you. You can serve this hot in the morning. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.